Hello friends, in this video we will see what are keywords. This is a very small topic. This is a small theory topic which we will finish in 1 or 2 minutes. So keywords are the words used to construct the C statements. So if we want to write a program, so we have to use keywords to create the statements, and we have to use more than one statement to create a program. You can use more than one statement to create a program. So keywords will help you to construct C program. So C keywords are very important. You have to use in a proper syntax all the keywords. So you cannot use keywords as variable names. So you have to give a separate variables names. You cannot use the keywords in the keyword list. All keywords are small case in the lower case in C programming. So the example of keywords are int, float, switch, for, while. We have a list of keywords. We'll see the list. So this is a list of keywords. So we'll be seeing all these keywords in this programming. We'll be seeing most of them in the training. So as and when we learn new topic, we'll see what are the keywords actually used for. So every keyword has a purpose here. So we'll see one by one. So we'll see an example here. So we'll open the list again. So you can see we have a few keywords here. So we can use so hash include is not a keyword, it's a directive, preprocessor directive. We'll see it later. And stdio.h is a library. This is also not a keyword. So void is a keyword. So it should be small case. If you say void capital D, so it's not a keyword. You can see it's not highlighted, it's not bold. If you use a capital void, so it's not bold. If you use a small void, you can see it's becoming bold. So the meaning is the editor is highlighting all the keywords. It's making all the keywords bold. Main is not a keyword, it's a function name. If we say int, you can see it's bold, so it's a keyword. If you say int, you can see whenever I change a different word, it's not in bold and it's not a keyword. int capital is not a keyword, so capital int is also not keyword. So keywords is like small case. Int is a keyword. If I use int as a variable name, it will give me error. Or else if I use a one more, I'll show you with this one. So I'll say Alt F9. You can see there's an error. So what's the error? Too many types in declaration. So it says it gives some error. It says too many types. We have two type declarations. So you cannot use float as a variable name. You have to use X. You can see X and capital X. You can use two different variables. These are two different memory locations. Okay. So this way you can use XX, but you cannot use keywords. You cannot use even for. You see for. So for is also keyword. You can see it's becoming bold. So you cannot use keywords as variable names. So these keywords are used to construct a sentence. So again, printf is not a keyword, it's a function. You can see it's printf is not a keyword, it's a function. Return is a keyword. For is a keyword. While is a keyword. Enum is a keyword. So we can see all these keywords are becoming bold. So it again depends on the editor what you are using. It's a if you use a different Visual C++ or Turbo C++, the colors of the keywords will be different and the normal words will be different. So to construct a statement, you always use keywords. Again, printf, you don't need any keywords to construct a statement. Hello world. You can see I have not used any keyword here, but I can still make a statement using this. I'll do Alt F9. So it executes fine. So this way we use keywords, and every keyword has some meaning, it does some function. So we'll see one by one in the videos what exactly the keywords, how they work, why they are used. So these are the list. So you don't have to by heart this list. As and when you learn the programming language, you learn these words. It's like when you learn English, you learn words one by one. So similarly, when you learn C programming, you learn these words one by one. We'll see later in the later videos. Thank you for watching this video.